Happy Halloween to all you ghosts and goblins. I love this holiday, not only because of the candy, but also because I love seeing the neighborhood kids in costume. And with everything going on today, we decided we needed an easy to make and easy to grab dinner that you can really sink your teeth into. We start by browning some ground beef along with an onion. Once it's crumbled, we add a can of tomato sauce, a bunch of off-the-shelf spices, and a few hot dogs that we've sliced up. After this comes together, we stir in some shredded cheese and set it aside. Now we lay out a couple of cans of refrigerated crescent roll dough so it sort of looks like a sunburst. It's okay if the tips of the dough hang over the edge of the pan. After we spoon our chili mixture on top of that, we fold the tips of the dough over the filling and tuck them into the center before baking it off. You'll know it's done when the crust is golden and the extra cheese that we sprinkle on the top is all melty. I bet Dracula would love to sink his teeth into this. The recipe for our chili cheese dog ring is on our website and is easy enough to make for dinner tonight. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a scary good way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."